Take command of the road in the 2008 Dodge Ram 2500. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget, such as remote keyless entry, power front seats, a leather steering wheel, a trip computer, heated door mirrors, adjustable pedals, and a split folding rear seat. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Dodge ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.